Hi folks, well this week we're going to try and get into Dylan's XK a little bit more. Dylan's coming over and we're going to start getting the body rubbed back in say 240 to get rid of some of the deeper scratches in the epoxy that's on there and the putty. Once we've got that, we're going to run through and get all the bare metal areas and the bog areas sealed up with a light coat of epoxy. And then we're going to put a coat of high fill over the whole car. So once that's all done, we're going to let it sit for a little while, maybe a week or so, and get some shrink back in it. And then once that's done, we'll get in and longboard it and block it all ready for colour. So we'll get in, get a few of these cars moved out and get it started. Okay, so day 2, we didn't do much filming yesterday at all because you really don't want to see us blocking back primer and bog. So car's all been rubbed down with 240. We've got to get in and remask it and tape it up. And this morning we're going to seal up the rub throughs with some more epoxy and get a couple of coats of high fill on there. And then once that's all done and unmasked, we'll possibly blow some black on the engine bay side of things just for now and around the cowl, because Dylan's going to do the engine bay internally black when he gets around to pulling the motor out of there. And then after that, we will possibly move the XK outside so we can actually get some photos for you of it exposed outside. The room is really cramped, and we'll get it put away in here and wrapped up so the primer can shrink back for a couple of weeks, and then we'll get it out in the sun and start blocking the primer. Let's get into it. Okay, so we did run out of time to get it outside into the sun for you. We ran out of daylight, but we finally got the primer on. So now the XK can sit for a week or two, let it shrink back, and then we'll get in and give it all a good block back. So hopefully through the week I can get it outside so you can see the work Dylan's done. And he actually has got it pretty damn straight. But yeah, for now this is about all we can show you really. We did get the top of the cowl in black because he's going to, like I said, eventually do the engine bay in black. But once we get it outside in the sun, we'll be able to have a better look. But looking at what he's got done so far, I'm pretty happy with how straight he got the rear quarters and everything. Yes, the original engine bay colour is still there for now. But one day in the future, when he gets the motor out, we'll give it a bit of a clean up, rub down, and we can black all that in to match. All right, that's it for tonight. Thanks, guys. See you next time.